Hello friends, this is Nessie and thank you for tuning in. I'm going to update you on my earnings with OLSP system, which is amazing, which is actually the main program that I'm promoting these days for the last couple of months. And I made videos about it, and I just want to share my progress with you and the amount of money that I've accumulated until now. Thank you for tuning in again, and if you want to join me, you can find the link under this video if you're interested in making great income online with one of the best platforms that I found online. Okay, so you see in my previous videos I just want to document my progress with OLSP system. So you can see I made 100. So my first video was my earnings were $133, and after that I made another video documenting my progress, and then I showed you that I made $550 from my $7 investment in OLSP, which is the basic. The $7 investment in OLSP is the basic pack. Okay, the basic pack, and there are advanced and higher levels if you want to progress to the top. But if you are a newbie, if you are a beginner, I really um, advise you to start with the Mega Link, which is the basic product with $7. Okay, and now I'm going to show you my total earnings until now. If you want, guys, you can check all my previous videos, because there are a lot of I showed my experience and results in my previous videos, so you can go ahead and watch also these videos. Okay, and now I'm in my back office, and you can see that my total earnings are $1,647 in OLSP. Okay, the reason I love OLSP because it's super friendly for newbies. Okay, so if I go to my dashboard, you can see that right now I have in my balance I have $331.85, and you can see here this is the commission that has been paid to members in the last 24 hours in OLSP. So 1,180 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. How cool is that, guys? Okay, and if I go back to my commissions, you can see that I already made, this is super transparent and super legit business. Okay, so you can see my previous withdrawals from OLSP. The first one was $120. The second one was, so you can see they are paying and they are stable and legit. $261. The first one was through PayPal. The second one was through Wire, through what it's called, Wise. They are working with Wise. Okay, so and the third one was on June 21st, $419. And I can show you and prove you in private message if you want to see the actual receipt that I got from the notification that I got from Wise. Okay, so everything is legit and stable and transparent. And my last withdrawal was $513, and now I can withdraw. Withdrawable balance. I can withdraw around $242 from OLSP if I want right now. Okay, so as I said in my previous videos, you get all the trainings from OLSP. So you learn everything you need in order to be successful marketer, online marketer. You got it here in the trainings. Just go through the trainings. You have everything you need to know. Right now I'm on the team builder level, and they have something unique in OLSP. It's called the this is free money, guys. This is free money. You pay one time $7 for the mega link. This is the mega link, and which is here. You can grab it once you pay the $7. You get the mega link over here, and you can use it to promote your online business. You can promote your OLSP business, and basically, if you go to it's called the CD Pro. Okay, the CD Pro. I made a video. You can see it in my previous videos. So I click on Access Product, and you can see that this is free money, guys. They pay you. This is something unique to OLSP. They pay you for, they pay you. That's not a lot of money, That's not a big commissions, but it helps you to build your account. So they pay you 25 cents per comment on Facebook posts. As far as I know, there are no other companies, online companies that pay you, free money. I made $74. You can see your CD Pro commissions, and I made and it takes 10 seconds per comment, guys. It's really easy money, and so this is, I'm aiming to, and I'm sure you also aiming for high ticket commissions, but in order to build your account, it's a really helpful tool that you can prove to people that the business is really working for you, and this is just a tool to help you to get more advanced in affiliate marketing. So of course you can make also high ticket commissions from OLSP, and we have at least two webinars every week. Every week we have 2 webinars, and we have a lot of Facebook lives. The community, we have more than 150K members in our free Facebook group. We have more, I will say it again, we have more than 150K people in our free Facebook group, and the community is amazing. Okay, guys, and you can see I make commissions every day from commenting, from somebody, I am also earning tier 2 commissions. So guys, don't worry. If you join me, I will leave my Facebook profile under this video, and I will also leave my my WhatsApp group link under this video. So when you join me, not only you get all the training from the company and all the Facebook lives and all the webinars that Wayne, the owner, is doing every week, you are getting me as your sponsor, as your coach, and we can go straight away to a Zoom call, and I will check your Facebook profile, and I will check with you every day how you are progressing and how you can make fast commission with the platform. So again, I will leave my link. If you join me in OLSP, you get also me as your trainer, coach, whatever you want to call it, and I'm here to help you and guide you to success. So I will thank you for watching, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. So you can sign up, you can open a free account, and if you upgrade or before you upgrade, you can contact me and I will help you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helps you, and see you in my next video, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching.